Hey everyone, I wanted to quickly review over the program that I signed up for 6 months ago, and it's helped me out tremendously. That program was for my website and for SEO research and SEO and becoming number one in Google. I'm not there yet. It's still a process and in a very difficult market, but I signed up for Jerryll Noorden's program, the SEO for real estate investors. I met Jerryll actually at the Bigger Pound Conference in New Orleans last year in 2021, and that was an amazing time. Side note with his presentation and explaining how Google works and the credibility and how Google automatically determines who becomes number one and who doesn't become number one and how your ranking works. And I decided to sign up for his program. His program was very helpful because I had just started in the industry. I didn't have a website. I didn't have anything. I just had a domain registered. Not even actually, sorry. I didn't have a domain name registered, nothing. So we started from fresh. And he directed me to get a Carrot site. I opened up a Carrot site, and then immediately we had to revamp the whole website. And when I say revamp the whole website, I mean completely all the content, the colors, all the information, anything that was on the Carrot website, gone. We had to completely change it. I'll show you guys my website in a minute, but his program helped me out in teaching me how to do that. He also guided and coached me how to be able to get all the design right, all the colors right. He has a team of VAs and a team that helped with any questions that I had. The biggest thing and the biggest thing I will mention out here is that his program is amazing. It is great. It definitely does get you up in the rankings. Within the 6 months, I'm already in at least 2 seller finance properties that came to me with zero down, and it was all based off of SEO because they were motivated. I wouldn't have been able to get that through. I can't say I wouldn't have been able to, but it would have been a little bit more difficult to get that through on my outsource marketing when this homeowner came into my website and he decided to find me and go with me because even though I wasn't all the way at number one on Google, he said he found me after searching for Chicago home investors, and he found our website, and our website was number 7 on Google. It was number 7. But there was 2 things that stuck up to him and stuck out. Was one, I had my phone number right there at the top, ready to go. And 2, I website looked professional, looked presentable and personal versus a big company. And that led him to just actually calling me. He didn't fill out the information. He just called my phone number and I picked up and we were able to discuss and talk. And he had 2 properties, which was great for me. And he decided to finance me the properties. So this works. And I want it to continue to work, continue to grow, but there's a lot of work that's involved. Jerryll's team does not do the work. Jerryll's team shows you and he guides you how the work is done. But you have to do the work. I had to write all my content. I had to get my images. I had to adjust the website, and I'm constantly doing adjustments. So it is not something that you can go, here you go, Jerryll, enjoy it. Please do what you do your magic. Make me the all-star like you are in your market. No, it doesn't work that way. It works by putting in the hours and the time, by responding to Ferro reports, by doing blogs, by being active online, doing with social media. So you can see it is almost like a full-time job just to get this SEO side and the website really ranking up and going. I enjoy it. I'm doing this because I know that I'm going to be able to get my website grown, and that's how I'm going to get the really true motivated sellers to come to me. And as I always tell everyone, I'd rather the horse come to me than me have to chase the horse. If that makes any sense, no idea, but it's something that's stuck in my head. So either way, I want to show you guys the website and show you how my website has come about. This is ferrohomebuyers.com. As you can see here in the top, we got the phone number right at the top, right where you when you open it. You got our logo, and then you have some information for our website, and then you have your the catch offer right there to input. This is the first thing you see on the screen, so it's very catchy. And this isn't my home screen. I'm sorry, I just realized this is my Logan Square, which is one of the cities and neighborhoods here in Chicago. Here, this is the main page. You need to sell your Illinois home. I'm based out of Illinois, and I'm marketing here in Illinois. We start scrolling down. We get a banner here. This is myself, then my brother. I know we look kind of similar, but he has hair. I don't. Uh, As we keep going down here, we're going to go through all the information that I wrote. Everything was rewritten. This is a Carrot website, but it looks and it doesn't look like your standard Carrot website. That's one thing I don't like about Carrot. They all look very traditional. In fact, they all have the same pictures. So anyone going onto their website, and if you haven't come across it, it's going to look as the same type of program, the same type of website. So I don't like that. I like being personal. And as we scroll here, you can kind of see how we've done that. We've had to create different web pages. We've had to create all different type of things to get people to come into our website. I've had to create other blogs. Now, Carrot does blogs on themselves, but I created my own blog, my own personal blog, which is the ferrobrothers.com. I'm going on different sites and creating activity and bringing people over to my website. It's kind of like if you speak to someone on Instagram, how did they get 20,000 followers? Well, it first starts off with the first 100 and then networking with those 100, responding back to comments, responding back and forth, reaching out to others that are in the same industry and talking back and forth. And that creates activity and that creates movement. That also creates that credibility that you're going into. So all this I've learned from his program. You're going to learn 30 times more than what I'm telling you right now. His program works. He's organized. He gives you a step-by-step process, which is going to be right here. This step-by-step process is on Monday, the app, which is a CRM system, and you can see I signed up for his main program, SEO World Domination. So it gives me a step-by-step of what I need to do, what I have to do. They review everything. They approve it. They review it. We go back and forth. We have communication. There's all type of communication that can be done. So as you can see, it goes all the way down, and I'm not done yet. I'm still in the process. I'm in 10 out of 15 in total of the whole coaching program, the whole program that goes on his SEO side. This is gold, guys. This is really gold. I mean, I am ecstatic. I'm happy. I've gotten several leads through it. I finally got one of them closed. Now, obviously, not every lead that comes in gets closed, but I've gotten probably in the 6 months. Now, 2.5 months of those was me building the website, creating all the infrastructure side of it. So really, we've been online for maybe about 3 months, let's say, actively going on it. And I've gotten anywhere about 15 leads, 12 to 15 from my SEO side. It doesn't sound like much, but I got 2 deals out of that. Do the percentages, do your average KPIs on that. I'm really ecstatic because the more leads I keep getting, the more closures I'm going to have. I'll take 50 SEO leads in a year if I'm closing 20 of them versus 5,000 leads through messaging or text messaging or whatever the case is, outbound marketing, in other words, to close 5 or 10. So SEO is the way to go. SEO is the best way to get the most motivated leads. And the way you get people that are actually wanting to sell, are willing to sell at a discount, are willing to just move on for whatever reason. So his program is very valuable. It is effective. I highly suggest you join it. And if you have any questions, just reach out to me, whichever platform you're seeing this on. You can go to my website. You can email me at info@ferrohomebuyers.com. You can call the number. However you want, you're going to reach me. You're going to reach me somewhere or another, okay? Appreciate you guys watching. Any questions, like I said, reach out to me and like and subscribe.